In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee on Vagaro, a pivotal step for business owners looking to streamline their appointment booking and management processes. Whether you're new to Vagaro or looking to brush up on your skills, this guide is designed to make the process as smooth as possible. Firstly, navigate to the Vagaro website. This is where all the magic starts. Once you're on their homepage, you'll find the login option located at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed. For those who prefer convenience and security, Vagaro offers a Login with Google option, which you should click on next. This feature is particularly helpful as it saves time and enhances security by linking with your existing Google account. After clicking on Login with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. This step ensures that you're securely logging into your Vagaro account with your chosen Google credentials, tying your business's management directly to your preferred email. Once logged in, the next step is to navigate your way to managing your business. To do this, click on Go to My Business. This takes you to your business dashboard, a centralized spot where you can manage appointments, services, and importantly, your team. Now here's where we start adding your new team member. Locate and click on the Settings option. Think of this as the control room for all your administrative tasks in Vagaro, including managing your service menu, business information, and employee profiles. Within your settings, you'll find and click on Employee Profiles. This is the area dedicated to managing all existing employees and adding new ones. Here you get a glimpse of who's part of your current roster and make any necessary adjustments or additions. To add a new member to your team, look for the Add Employee button and click on it. This action opens up a new window where you'll begin the journey of bringing a new member aboard. Begin by entering the new employee's details, which include their name, email address, and gender. These pieces of information are crucial for personalizing their experience and ensuring their profile accurately reflects their identity. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click on Next to proceed. Here you'll create a username for your new employee. This username should be unique to them and professional, as it will be their identifier within your business on Vagaro. Following the creation of their username, you will then assign them an employee ID. This ID acts as another point of identification and can be useful for internal tracking and management purposes. The next critical step is to set up a password for their account. You'll type in a chosen password and then retype it to confirm accuracy. The importance of creating a strong, secure password cannot be overstressed, as it protects the employee's account and your business information. For additional security, you're prompted to choose a secret question for the employee. This feature adds an extra layer of security to the account, helping with password recovery and account verification should the need arise. Type in the answer to the secret question you've chosen for them. Now it's time to define the employee's role within your business. You'll select an employee type which categorizes their position and responsibilities. Following this, you'll choose their access level, which determines how much control and accessibility they have on the Vagaro platform. This is a critical step in maintaining the security of your business's information while ensuring your team members have the tools and access they need to perform their roles effectively. After fine-tuning these settings, click on Save to confirm the addition of the new employee to your Vagaro account. A pop-up will appear for you to confirm the charge, assuming there's an added cost associated with new employee profiles under your Vagaro subscription plan. Click on Confirm Charge to finalize everything. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough on how to add an employee on Vagaro. By following these carefully outlined steps, you're not only expanding your team, but also optimizing the operational flow of your business. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more insightful walkthroughs and tips to make the most of your Vagaro experience.